Save the koalas. The koalas are ready for a trip, and it's up to us to help them. Are you up for this challenge? Search for gum names to eat. The koala will go to the ground in order to find more food to eat. When they come across a tree that they see as a favorite, some simple steps to help a koala. Tie a rope around a post or fence so that if a koala falls out of the tree, they have a chance to survive in the pool. Keep the cats and dogs away from the pool. Put a log on your fence, making a ramp.
The wildlife of a koala. An adult koala is around 82 to 87 centimeters long. It usually weighs less than 15 kilograms. A baby koala is less than 2.5 centimeters long. It stays in its mother's pouch for the first 6 months where it nurses.
The life cycle of a koala. A baby koala starts its life in the mother's pouch and soon becomes a joey, then starts to eat pap, and after a few months starts to ride on the mother's back. Once it's fully grown, it is already ready to start to mate.